Hi everyone. Today we are taking a look at a specific change coming to Windows 10 and Windows 11 regarding optional components, specifically the Windows Features on Demand. If you head over to your control panel, click on Programs and Features, and then select Turn Windows Features on or off, you will see a list of components. Right at the top, you will see the .NET Framework options. If you're wondering what this is, the .NET Framework is essentially a software development platform used for building and running applications on Windows. Many older legacy applications depend on these specific frameworks to run correctly on your computer. Currently, you usually see two versions here, .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8. Version 4.8 is the newer one and is typically enabled by default. Version 3.5 is older, includes versions 2.0 and 3.0, and is usually unchecked unless you specifically need it. However, Microsoft has announced a change starting with Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 27965. They stated that .NET Framework 3.5 will no longer be available as a feature on demand in this list. This means Microsoft is removing the option to simply check this box to install the older framework and future versions of the operating system. The reason for this change is to align with the product's lifecycle. Microsoft has confirmed that support for .NET 3.5 ends on January 9, 2029. Because it's reaching its end of life, they are phasing it out as a built-in optional feature. It is important to note that this does not affect current versions of Windows 10 or 11. However, in future major updates, potentially version 26H1 or 26H2, if you still need to use .NET 3.5 for a specific app, you will likely need to download a standalone installer from the Microsoft website rather than finding it here in the control panel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.